This one girl tried to roast me in the comments about my eyebrows. It's still so funny to be like, she's so bad at my eyebrows. Hey buddies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm not wearing anything on my lips because we're going to be attempting to create a transfer proof lippy, right? And this is going to be great for date nights, going to be great for all day wear, it's going to be great for I don't want to get demonetized. So it's great for head. Is saying head okay? It's great for head. It's transfer proof. I apply a primer. If you have the MAC Prep and Prime, that's great. If you don't, like me, because mine is completely finished, I have just a regular lip balm. This is a Nivea Kiss of Moisture. It's a little bit juicier than a regular lip balm, so I like to just dab it like so. Maybe if I come closer, it'll be better. Next, we're going to line, and I'm using a dark brown pencil to do this. And what lining does is that it prevents the lipstick from running and smudging all over your face. It keeps it nice and in control. I'm not also lining, but I'm also filling in my lips. Filling in the lips is an extra base for the lipstick to stick to the lips, right? Just pat a little bit, pat, right? And then the balm acts as kind of like a moisturizer, so it keeps it nice and moist without feeling like super dry and flaky. Next step is a lip color of your choice. I love a nice nude lip, so I'm going with this MAC liquid lipstick here. I don't even know if they still make it. I've had this for so long. It's called Simply Smoked. It is a retro matte liquid lip color, okay? So that's her there. I think I even have a video on this, like from years ago. Right, I take off a little bit off of it. I don't want the lip, because you want it to dry, right? Eventually it needs to be dry and whatever. I don't want to put too much product on there, because that's going to, the more product you put on, the more it's going to transfer. So if you want to do like a lip stain, you can, but for the purposes of this video and the purpose of content, we're going with this lipstick. So apply your lipstick. And then when I put the lipstick on, I kind of also line with it. That's another reason why I like wiping off some of the product, so it's not like gunky and goopy all over my mouth, right? So right now we're letting it dry, we're letting it set. It's doing its thing, dry, dry, dry. If you touch it right now, it is going to transfer, like so. Can we focus, please? Can we focus, please? Can we focus? We can't really focus on my finger. It's not focusing, but as you can tell, can you tell? Can you see? So touching it now, it does transfer. Now this is the final touch, the finishing part that's going to keep it completely head proof. Okay, so I pat a little bit so it's a little bit more dry. Smith & Colt Instant Recall Invisible Powder Setting Spray. You can do this with a translucent setting powder. That works well. I saw this one girl, this Asian girl, what she did was she blotted with a tissue, sprayed setting spray over her lips with the tissue covering it, and then puts the powder over the tissue, and that worked for her, but this works for me. So I take the spray, right, and then you're just gonna spray your mouth. Hold your breath so it doesn't go in your nose. Now I'm gonna take my powder brush, my regular that I used to put powder all over my face. I'm going to take off whatever white residue that there may be around my mouth from the spray. And then like touch up any oil spots that are on my face, right? Since we're already here. All right, and now your lipstick, you try it on another finger, is transfer proof. See, there's no color on my finger in comparison to this. All right, now this one wipe off, but trust me, it's not. Let me get something to test it. So I have my wine glass, right? I kissed her really hard. And there's a little smudgy. Can you see? You can't. You still can't see it. But just trust me, okay? It's, as you can see, it's the lipstick is still on my face. It's not. I should probably give some head and come back, and then maybe that will prove to you. Pause. We're back. Now, step back a little, get myself together, a little disheveled. So what had happened was, my husband is at work, so I didn't have a physical test person to test it on. So I had to use a toy. If you are not familiar, I do sell toys, DakesOnToys.com, and yeah, take that mental note. Now, as you can see, the lipstick is still on my lips. What I will say is, before you begin, do one of these just to get the lipstick from off of the inside of your lips. And then when you are performing fellatio, it's gonna be more of a suck, 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 and less of a ma, ma, ma. Does that make sense? So you're gonna be doing more oh, 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 and less okay? Okay. It also, it can be sloppy. I wasn't even trying to be sloppy, honestly. I don't know. It can. Should I do another test? I think I should do another test. Hold on. Okay, so I did the second test. You can get sloppy with it. Make sure there's nothing on my clothes. So you can get sloppy with it. As you can see, the lipstick is still on my lips. There was a slight transference, but remember that is silicone and your person will not be silicone. So yeah. I hope this video helped you if you don't have one of those long wear, long lasting lipstick type things. This, I hope, you know, hope it was a good for ya. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I think I'm gonna throw on some lip gloss because this is looking kind of blot to me. Or maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. It matches my dress, so I might just keep it. I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, son, and kissy face. Bye.